All right, so I wanted to film a video showing you how to convert the reformer. This is the Balance Body Reformer Cadillac combo. So how to transform the reformer to the Cadillac, because I see this done wrong all the time. Like I'll come to the studio after a different Pilates instructor and it's just completely set up wrong. So I'm just making this video just to show you how to transform the reformer to the Cadillac. All right, so first I normally start by taking off the straps, dropping them down, and then you want to drop down the risers. So I normally just pull the peg out, drop both sides down. That part is done. Headrest should always be down. These normally just unscrew the shoulder blocks. So shoulder blocks come out. Should be easy, just unscrew them, take them out. I'll normally store them under the reformer. Then you're taking the springs off. So all the springs are coming off. This part is gonna slide all the way to the end. There's normally a little slot here for the headrest. Then the foot bar is coming down, so you just wanna unlock it and then bring the foot bar down. Okay, so this part's totally set up and ready. All right, so there's two different parts of the Cadillac. So there's this side that has these little flaps. So this is gonna go on the back of the reformer, because for the springs, when you are using the Cadillac for tower, you can spring from behind. So these normally would go over the risers. So this part with the flaps is always in the back of the reformer. So you're gonna lift it, and then when you're setting it up, you just wanna have those flaps out. And it should kind of lock in like a little puzzle. All right, so this part is secure. And then now we're gonna put the other mat on. So this one is also gonna be going over the scratchy platform. So this one normally has a space right here and this one doesn't. So the part with the space is going over the platform. Same thing, it should also just lock in. It's down, this is down, that's it. And then normally the roll down bar is going on the other side. So roll down bar, yellow springs, hooking it on. And then normally like the feet straps, let's say we're using the feet straps on that side. So those would come on the one on the bottom. And then this is just changeable. So you could drop this down. You would use this for your roll down exercises, whether you're sitting, standing, laying down. And then feet straps, interchangeable. You have the yellow ones or the purple ones. And then obviously you have the whole trapeze. So this, sometimes it's a little, could get stuck, but it unscrews. Then you move it, and then I'll grab a trapeze just to hang it. And then this would normally hang from here. And then your Cadillac is set up and ready to go. Hopefully this helps anyone that had any questions setting up the reformer to Cadillac. Same thing when you change it back to the reformer. If you have any questions, let me know. See you next time.